Okay, so I see many of us out here struggling with WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you some things that you can do with your WhatsApp. First of all, you can have two WhatsApp, one for personal and one for business, and they're both in the App Store. After this video, I'm going to show you how to save your number on your phone screen in case someone finds your phone. Well, not your number, somebody else's number, so they can call that number without unlocking your phone. I'm going to show you that. All right, so let's use my personal WhatsApp and show you how the many ways you can use WhatsApp. First of all, if you are looking for a message that someone sent you, you can type in the search bar up here where it says ask Meta and search. If they sent you a message about how to get rid of a sore throat, you type in the word sore throat, keywords sore throat. And here is the message that I sent to my sister telling her that I have a sore throat and I've thrown everything at it. And so here is that message. Now, once you have found this message and she's telling you everything about how to make sore throat and sore throat elixir, then you don't want to lose that message, so you can keep it by pinning the message. So you hold down the message, you go to the top of the screen, and you tap the three dots in the top right hand corner. There you see one message selected. You see the left arrow telling you you can reply to that message. There's a star you can use to favorite that message. So I just favorited it, but that's not what I really want to do with it. I want to pin it. So then you have the trash can. I can get rid of it if I don't want it. And there's the arrow where I could forward it. And then there are the three dots. So top right hand corner, three dots. Let's tap on that. And I can copy it. I can report her for sending me this offensive message, or I can pin it. How long do I want to pin this message for? About 30 days, because my sore throat should be gone by then. You could pin it for 24 hours or 7 days, but I like to pin for 30 days. So you pin the message. Now her message at the top of the screen, and it's going to stay there whenever I need it. But then she sent me another message about something else, and I wanted to keep it. And then she says this. So I say, okay, I want to save this message as well. So I hold it down again, go to the three dots, and I pin the message. So now I have three. I cannot pin more than three, but I'm going to pin something else important that she said to me. Or sometimes I send something important. I don't know what this is. I forgot what she's talking about, but I did like this message, and this is mine. So I'm going to pin this message as well. And that's it. You can only pin three, so make sure you choose wisely. Here's another one I'm going to show you. This is these people who keep exercising for a bigger booty. Try pinning this, and it says, if you want to pin this message, when you hit continue, you're going to remove your oldest pin. So you can hit it if you want to. It's going to remove the first pin you put up. You can cancel. All right, so that's how to pin a message. Now, there are many other things you can do with messages inside of WhatsApp. Many people don't know this, but if somebody sends you a message, you can just reply. So my sister messaged me down here and she said, "Did you get your voice back?" I'm going to reply no, because she sent me messages and I want her to know which one I'm replying to. So that isn't a lot, but I want to reply to this one. So I'm going to hold down this message. Hold it down. Don't tap it. Hold it down. So this is what I do. I hold down the message with my finger. I know you can't see it. And then you see this band. It's blocked. This is called blocking. So the message is blocked. And now I can use an emoji reaction, or I can go to the top of my screen and I should see two arrows, one pointing left Okay, well, not the one in the left corner. There's one pointing left and there's one pointing right beside the trash can. Hopefully you and I have the same interface. And so we're going to tap on the one going to the left. And now I am replying to her message. Did you get your voice back? I'm going to say, look like Mana get it back, my love. And send. And so now she knows exactly what I'm replying to. Now, here's something fun that you are able to do inside of WhatsApp now. So I've sent her this message, but I changed my mind. I don't want to talk to her in patois. I am going to edit this message. So I'm going to hold down the message again. I'm not tapping it. I'm holding it down. I'm just going to put the soft pad of my finger on it. Keep the soft pad of my finger there. I'm not pressing it. It's not a button. I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to go back to the three dots in the top right hand corner because it's all about the three dots in the top corner. I'm going to tap the three dots and I'm going to look for the word edit. Edit, of course, means to change. So I'm going to edit this message. So I'm going to go back to say, look like Mana get it back. I'm going to add a C in there. I'm going to say, my love. I'm gonna say looks like, because that's proper English, looks like I'm not getting it back. Sometimes it changes and sometimes it doesn't. I want that's the correct way. Looks like I'm not getting it back, my love. Let's send it and see if it was corrected. And there we are. We have a new message that says, looks like I'm not getting it back. It's been edited. And then here's something else we can do in here. This is one a lot of people do not know, and it could make their lives so much easier. If a person sends you messages, pictures, and links and videos, they're all stored in your WhatsApp gallery on WhatsApp. So my sister has sent me a lot of stuff. Hopefully it's all decent. So I'm going to tap on her name and I'm going to see where all the pictures and stuff that we've sent. Maybe I should go and clear it out first. So I'm going to tap on her name in the top. You see where her name is. I'm going to tap on Loy. Yeah, we got to get rid of this. We're not letting my eyeball show. Okay, so let's tap on her name and see what kind of media is in there. So once we are in here, we can see everything that has been sent between us. At the top, we see the phone number. Let's cover that up. I guess it's not being covered up. Let's cover that up. So let's just cover that up. And then we look at the media that has been sent. So if you look down here, it says media links and docs 619. Clearly, I text my sister every minute of the day. And then we're going to tap on the media links and docs or 619. It doesn't matter which one we tap on. So in here, we see photographs, all the photographs that have been sent. Not a lot in here. I like to clean them out so that I get space in my phone. So here are the photographs. I can delete all of them right now if I wanted to, or I could just leave them alone. in here is docs. I don't generally send documents to my sister, unless if I'm doing that, I send it by email, so there's nothing here. But all the links that we've sent to each other, yesterday I sent a video to her about my thank you to everyone, family and friends. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I sent her the link with the custom keychains for her to get some for her kids for stocking stuffers for Christmas, and the rest of the videos I sent. So if you've sent a video and you want to find it again, you scroll through. Hopefully you do not have 600 of them, and it's easy for you to find it. What I do nowadays when I send a video to her that I want her to remember, I type in a sentence under it. Great exercise for, great exercise for booty like this one. That way, if I really can't find it among all of this, I can type in the keyword booty and that message will come up. So here is where you find everything that's been sent between you and the person. Okay, what else can we do on WhatsApp? A lot of people keep turning on disappearing messages and then they say they don't know how they turned it on. Or, as in the case of my other sister, her kids turned it on and she doesn't know how to turn it off. Maybe you don't mind, maybe you want to keep your messages, but if you have it on, the message is going to disappear. But how do you turn on disappearing messages? You tap on the three dots again and you see it says disappearing messages there. If I turn this on, every message I have in the chat with my sister will disappear after a while, and I can make it for 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Some people turn their messages off after 24 hours. I find it so annoying. But anyway, I'm not turning off, I'm keeping that off, but you can select that for yourself. Wallpaper. I have not put a wallpaper up there, but I'm going to put one. I won't tap on my photos because I do not want to open my photos and see the mess that's in there. So let's go with this beautiful scenery. And boom, my messages has a lovely wallpaper. Okay, that's fine. So all of my chats will now have this wallpaper. And that's another thing you can do inside of WhatsApp. Now, let us look at the last few things you can do. And there are many more things you can do, including favorites. I'll see if I can show you that before the video ends. But let us tap on the three dots again and see what else is in here. Let's go into more. Inside of more, you can export the entire chat. I have had to do that with my business chat, but for my family and friends, I don't see any reason why I'd export their chat. But you can add a shortcut. When you add a shortcut, if you tap on add shortcut, this is going to shortcut and save on your phone home screen, maybe one of the home screens in the back. But this is where you can, if you talk to a lot of people and you want to find them quickly without even going into WhatsApp and searching through their name, you can add a shortcut, and this person's message will be on your home screen, and then you can just quickly go to your home screen and then send them a message without coming into WhatsApp and searching for their name, if you know what I mean. Let's do it quickly. Add. So now it's on my home screen. So now I'm going to go on my home screen quickly and show where it is. Where is it? And so now I'm going to show you where it is. So it's usually stored in one of the far home screens. There it is. Now I don't want it here, so I'm going to hold it down and move it to one of these empty home screens. So let's come back over here. And I have another one over here. So I'm going to move this chat over. And these, you don't do this for every single message because then you're not going to find them again. But you use it for the important ones. All right, so let's go back into WhatsApp now, and let's go back into more, and you could clear the entire chat right now Most of us know how to block someone on WhatsApp. I don't know. But if you wanted to, that's where you block it. And if you want to report the person to WhatsApp, that's the button to report them. Now, WhatsApp has a new favorites feature, but you're not going to be able to see it. Oh no, you can actually see it. Okay, so there it is. All right, so in the WhatsApp favorites now, I had favorited a message from my sister. I tap on favorite, and there it is. It's alone. So when you really want to save a message, you can star it and it goes in your favorite. The next thing WhatsApp is allowing us to do now is to see all the messages we have or only the ones that are unread. So I got a message from my aunt and I haven't read it as yet, so it's in the unread. Um, I I didn't even realize I had so many groups in here, but if you want your groups, that's where they are, right across the screen. It's funny how we have features on WhatsApp and they've been sitting there forever and we've never seen them. Now it has Ask Meta Search. I hate to say it, but I don't want to use their search. I don't love using their search, but you can ask Meta anything, how to get rid of a stubborn sore throat. But I won't ask because I'm about to go do my honey, lime, garlic, ginger, and anything else I can find in the cupboard. But the one last thing you can do on WhatsApp is you can pin your favorite messages to the top. So let's say I want to find my mother's messages fast. I'm going to pin my mother's message as a favorite. So it hold down the person's name and you tap on pin, and now my three people who I speak to the most are pinned to the top. So these are some things you can do inside of WhatsApp. Let me know if you need me to explain any further. And there are many other things you can do, but we won't get into that right now. Sometimes I'm talking to somebody and I say, do this, and they struggle to figure out where to find that button on the screen. I don't understand because it's all sitting right there. Now, a friend of mine was trying to find her barcode, her link one day. She had an iPhone, so her interface was quite different from mine. I can easily find my barcode to send it to somebody, but she couldn't find hers. So, well, I think I'll quickly look to see if I can find it. Settings. And here is mine right here. And boom, this is my QR code. Over here, you can scan. So if you want to send this to somebody, you can screenshot it and send it as a message, or you can hit the share button and send it to them. I don't want to reset my QR code, but here you go. That's how easily I found mine. She couldn't find hers on her iPhone. Now, these are a whole other set of features, and we are going to talk about these another day, like all of these three other apps from Meta. All right, so hope you like this message. Hope you hope you find this video informative, and this video was for the people who do not know how to use its features. If you know how to use them, leave a comment letting me know that you already did. If there's one that you didn't know but you knew the others, leave a comment letting me know which one you knew. Here's a new feature: protect your account. Log in with your face, fingerprint, or screen lock. I'm not doing that yet. I have no secrets inside of my regular WhatsApp. One day I don't think I can talk about my business WhatsApp, but it has many amazing features. If I go into my business WhatsApp, my client's business is going to be visible, so I'll think about it. Don't want to do that yet, so now I'm out. All right, I am Gail signing off. Let me sign off here because I like this pretty picture, and I thank you for watching.